Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com. If you're new to my channel, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores and I am a beauty-obsessed, fashion-loving, DIY project-making Latina mom from New York City, and I blog and vlog at Domesticated Me. Before I begin with this video, I just have to give a quick shout out to Natalie Off Duty. Natalie Suarez created a fashion line with Inspire that is currently being sold at Macy's, and she came out with some amazing pieces, and tonight was actually the launch for her second collection. This top that you see here is from her first collection, and if it's still available, I will link it in the description box below, but I love it. It's just flowy and romantic and super pretty, and I just love the details. The sleeves, the back, which you need to see, and then this deep V. It's a wrap top. It's really, really lovely, and I just want to say congratulations to her. I'm so proud of her. Amazing collections, love the clothes. And now to your regularly scheduled program. Today is another one of my RocksBox unboxings. I have been subscribed to RocksBox for so long because I love them. They're such a great subscription service. You get 3 pieces of jewelry in every box, and there's no limit to how many boxes you get per month. I love this company. They've really taught me and helped mold my style, my jewelry taste. I've really gotten to know some amazing designers that I wasn't aware of before, so I just really love them. One of the new features that RocksBox has is that you can swap out pieces. You have, of course, your wish list, which is items that you picked from all of their inventory, or some of their inventory that you add to your wish list, and that will be put in your box whenever they become available. You also fill out a questionnaire so that they are stylists that will pick pieces based on your aesthetic and your style and what you like and what you don't like. And then when those pieces have been selected, you'll get an email and say, these are the 3 pieces that we're going to send you. Is there anything that you want to swap out? And that's a really great opportunity. For me, because I kind of let them sit there for a while, I don't open these up as soon as they come in. I tend to forget what is actually sent to me. So it's still a surprise to me as much as it is to you. This is a little card that tells me more about the pieces inside, but I want to be surprised, so I'll leave that to the end. This is the box, and as you can see, it is stuffed, so I'm dying to dig in. Ooh, so here's one of those designers that I've really fallen in love with. This is by Kendra Scott. Should I open this up? Yeah, I'll go ahead and open this up. I usually leave my Kendra Scott pieces to the very end because I've just fallen in love with everything that I've received from Kendra Scott, that they tend to be like my favorite, my cherry on top. So, but let's change it up a bit. I don't want you guys to get used to a certain format. I want to keep surprising you guys. So I'll open this first. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is a cuff. I know. I received this cuff in gold, the entire thing in gold, and I love this so much that I actually purchased it at a discounted member price from RocksBox. But this is a mixed metal. It has gunmetal toned hardware and then gold toned border on it. It's really pretty. It's beautiful. Let me put that on. I just did an unboxing, as you guys know, of the this Click Clack H bracelet that's stacked over my Click H bracelet. So I don't have much real estate left on my hand, but let's go ahead and stack this up. Why not? Let's be extra, just so you guys can see it. And there it is. It's really pretty. Or maybe let's switch it up and put it on this one. There you go. I love gunmetal. I love gunmetal. So I know that I had this on my wish list, and I have a few gunmetal pieces that I can pair this with, definitely. So definitely excited to wear that. The second piece comes in a RocksBox dust bag. So I don't know what the designer is, who the designer is, I should say. So let's see. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, I love these kind of necklaces that just like dangle. Oh, love these. So, so pretty. Very cool. It's got this like crystal with specks of black. Very cool. So it is a gold toned thin chained necklace, and it features 2 white, but also it's got this like dusting of like black particles in it. Very pretty. Okay, let's try this on. I think this will layer very nicely over this little necklace that I have here. These are great necklaces for V-top, V-neck tops. So this is perfect. Perfect, beautiful. That's so pretty. Oh, I love that. Love, love, love. My last piece is, I believe, going to be my very first Kate Spade piece from RocksBox. It's a nice thick brown dust bag with this hot pink drawstrings, and then in gold toned foil over here it has Kate Spade New York on it. Oh my gosh. Oh, guys, this is beautiful. Oh my god, I gotta take this off. I gotta try these on right now. I've been wanting to try these. They're so beautiful. These are so on trend right now. They're gorgeous. Okay, here you go. Oh my god, so beautiful. It's made so well. The quality of this is amazing. Okay, I have to try this on. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now that I'm putting these on, I'm actually remembering something. I am a very forgetful person. That's who I am, part of my personality. But also, again, because it takes me so long to unbox these, to switch pieces off, I forget details. But now that I've got these on, I'm remembering that I'm pretty sure I actually sent my RocksBox stylist a photo of this top, saying that I wanted pieces that I could wear with it. And because I'm seeing, and I'm like just thinking to myself, these are beautiful with this top, and how this necklace is perfect for this top, and how this with black pants, which is what I'm wearing right now. Today was the launch of the second collection. I just came from an event celebrating the second collection launch. Thinking to myself, these are so perfect for this piece, that I'm remembering I actually sent this to the stylist. So when you are finished with your box, you rate your pieces so that your stylist knows if you were happy with your pieces, if there was something that you would change or you didn't like. And then you can also send a request, tell them you have a special event, an occasion that you want to dress for, or send them a photo of an outfit, and then they will style the pieces based on that. So because I was just thinking these all go so well with this top, that I'm just remembering that I'm positive I actually sent them a photo of this top, and that is why these pieces go so well with what I'm wearing right now. All right, let's open up that little booklet and see what it says. Thanks for sharing some nice details about what you're gonna wear. There you go. I'm sure you'll look great. I've included a set that you can easily style with your outfit. Give your outfit a boho touch by adding the windsong necklace to the look. The shape of the labradorite stones give an edgy vibe. Elevate your earring game with the bead goes on hoop statement earrings. No necklace is necessary with these bold beauties. Embellished with the classic Kendra Scott filigree, this timeless Candace cuff adds a bold dash of glam to any look and easily transitions from day to night. Enjoy your set, Megan. The Kate Spade, the bead goes on the hoop statement earrings in black, is $78. The Kendra Scott Candace cuff in gold and gunmetal is $75, and the Dusk Windsong necklace is $63. That is a discounted price. That is my member price. This normally retails for $75. So if I wanted to buy it, I get a discount. Another great thing that they are doing is that at the end, they will tell you how many forever credits you have. If you have a you'll get a $10 discount if you buy all 3 pieces. And so therefore, it all gets added up and it'll tell you exactly how much you'll pay if you buy the set. So I really like that because it reminds you of how much you have in your RocksBox bank and how much these pieces will cost you if you want to buy them. I am so happy with this. I'm like, I'm loving this. I'm loving this whole look. I need to do an outfit of the day with this. I need to do more outfits of the day. I've been in a slump because I am still in my post-baby weight body, which I am slowly getting back to, slowly losing to get back to my normal weight. But this, I love this. I love this. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you're notified as soon as my videos go out. As always, please leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, requests. I love to hear from you guys, and all of that really helps me out on YouTube. Click right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned.